So I thought I would teach a really quick, easy trick for making perfect lines. You can do this with paint on supports and for seam painting. So easy way to do it is you're going to press and hold. If you want to enforce it, it's going to be your left mouse button. If you are going to block it, it's the right mouse button. But whichever one, you're going to press and hold the click. Press Alt, let go of the Alt, let go of the click, okay? And then we're going to go down, okay? So actually I want to block right here, okay? So I'm going to press and hold the right mouse button, Alt, let go, and then I'm going to click here, and then we're going to press and hold, click the Alt, let go of the Alt, let go of the click, and then click where you want to, okay? So when you slice, you will notice that that's the one spot that is not supported, okay? Now, keep in mind that this seems to work better, I've noticed, with the organic supports. It doesn't work as well with snug. And then let's say you want to, so let's remove. So we're going to turn off the support so you can see how it looks. Remove all selection. Now, you can also do the reverse in where you enforce supports. So press and hold the left, click Alt, let go of Alt, and then go down. And then you're going to let go of the click, of course, and then click again. So we're going to do for support enforcers only. Now, on the other side, we'll tell you what. Let's go right here. So we're going to press and hold the left mouse button. Oh, wait. So let's undo that. Let's go to our seam painting. Press and hold the left mouse button. Alt, let go of Alt, let go of the mouse. And it's same for both, okay? So you will notice that the seam lines up. It's because I clicked over here that it's lined up this way, especially because of the weird shape it is. And then it's supported only where I wanted it to be supported. So I hope that this helps somebody. I think I learned this in the PrusaSlicer Forums if I didn't mention that before. And so yeah, hope that helps. Happy printing.